Okay, YouTube, this is Rap from Rap's Garage Shop. This is a good tech tip I think a lot of people don't know. If you're doing a cam change on your bike, your best bet is to use your original cam gear because it's already at the proper spacing to your pinion gear. So you can press your cam gear off of your cam and then get your new cam and press the cam gear off and then press your original cam gear onto your new cam. When you're doing this, it's important to mark your cam gear to where the keyway is on the cam. I'm sure it was a financial decision, but Harley never put a keyway in the gear. For whatever reason, they did put one in the cam, but they didn't put one in the gear, so you can't put a key in there to guarantee that the gear is aligned properly. So you have to make sure that you scribe two marks, and you can see them scribed in this. You have to scribe them right where the keyway is. That way when you press it on your new cam, you get it in the right position. When you get a new cam, Andrews does scribe their gears. So you don't have to worry about it with the Andrews gear, but let's just say your old gear, you took it off and you didn't scribe it. How do you figure out how to time that gear on the camshaft? The way you do that is, you take your two timing marks like this. When you're looking at it, it's the timing mark to the right when they're on the bottom. Now, so that it's easy to see, I'm going to put a mark on this as to where that timing dot is. Now you want to count 21 teeth in the counterclockwise direction. Do not count the tooth with the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now you want to mark that tooth right here. That's tooth 21. Mark it across the top and then flip it over and mark that tooth here. You can see on this Andrews gear that it comes right up center in between these two lines, that tooth. So if yours doesn't have it, you center that, and then when you line it up on the camshaft, you center this line over the keyway, and then you can press the gear on, and that'll get it timed properly. This is an Evo gear off of an Evo camshaft. This cam's for a panhead. It's an Andrews J grind. And you could do the same thing with this. Mark the dot. Count 21 teeth. 19, 20, 21. And now you mark that tooth. Mark it across the top. You flip it over. Bring the mark over. And you can see that it lines up with that keyway just like I talked about. So that's a good tech tip if you're using your original gear and it wasn't scribed. I have videos on how to press these on and the scribing method that I use. I'll make sure to attach that video at the end of this video so you can go and check that out too. But it is important to have your cam gear timed properly. I hope this helps someone out there. Please do this. It helps my channel and I appreciate it. Thank you.